In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a CSV file in Google Colab. So the first thing you have to do here inside your Google Colab, you want to go inside your first coding block and just follow my steps. So do from google.colab and then import files, okay? And then do another line over here, and then in there type in uploaded, and then equals, make sure you don't forget the spacebar, and then spacebar again, files.upload, and then the brackets, and then here you just want to basically run this by clicking run over here or doing a Control plus Enter. Now what this is going to do here, it's going to allow you to choose the files. So I'm going to choose files over here, and I'm just going to put in this random day.csv, and I'm going to click on open, and there we go. This has now been uploaded. Now once you've done this, add a separate code block, which should be the second one, and type in import pandas spd, and then again just run this by clicking run. There we go. And then you want to do a separate code block again, and in here this is like the most important part. You want to type in import and then spacebar io, and then do another line over here by pressing enter, and then we're gonna do a df over here, and then equals, and then for me it's already putting that in, as you can see, because it can predict, because I've been testing this earlier. But for you, you just have to basically type this in. So you have to do, let me actually do this for you as well. So pd.read underscore csv, there we go. And then you want to do the beginning of a bracket, and then do io dot, and then bytes.io is going to automatically pop up. So just click on it over here, and then you have to do a bracket and then uploaded. There we go. And then you want to do this square brackets over here, and it should automatically pop out the uploaded files over here. So day.csv. If it doesn't, just make sure you actually type in the name of your file you uploaded. So for me, it's day.csv. Now, of course, the easier the file name is going to be, the easiest is going to be to do this. So make sure you actually rename your CSV files to something very simple in case it doesn't automatically detect that for you. And then just make sure you actually do this correctly, okay? So here, make sure you have the correct brackets, make sure you have the correct square brackets, and then all the different things here. And whenever you have it like me here, just click on this button again to run it, and you should get a check mark. Now, once this happens here, you have to just click on another code block, and then you have to start by just typing in df.head, and then just do the double brackets over here, and then you should run this as well. And what's going to happen is it's going to pop out the CSV file, and you can now see it over here. So that's pretty much how to upload CSV file to Google Colab. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.